Guys, the gold, we had amazing trade, guys. Beautiful. And if you look at my yesterday analysis, I mentioned the point of interest is this one. If you look at here, the price rejected yesterday many times. What happened at the Asian session? Price nicely broken, and the London morning session price came back and give us the confirmation. And later on, the news was in favor. Beautiful. Even the price came back here. We also had this counter short trade here, and then we long trade here. Now, let me share with you how we analyze all these entries through intraday system. Hello trader, today is the last trading day of the week, 5th of September. What a blessing Friday, guys. We were waiting for the non-farm payroll. After that, we had amazing trade. And most of the analysis analysis review I broadcasted yesterday, and market exactly move according to those analysis, and most of the traders squeeze amazing profit. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review, you can watch it, the video link given in the video description. So let's see today how we analyze the market, and let's look at the pound dollar now. All right, so if you look at the pound dollar, and pretty straightforward, as mentioned yesterday, we were looking this breakout and this point of interest. And as mentioned yesterday, my high probability is for long based on the previous price action. We have impulsive correction. So we were looking at this impulsive reaction, and the first target was this one, first hit. After that, we have another pullback and hit to the final target. Now, let me share with you guys how we analyze all the entries and exits. If you look at the, this was the breakout we had at the Asian session. That was the consolidation breakout. And then we had another beautiful, afterwards, we have beautiful 2 pullbacks and squeeze amazing profit. Then after the news, we had this beautiful, you can see a breakout. And after that, we announced all these pullbacks, because once the data has been released, we know that the strength on pound against the dollar. Then as mentioned to my trader, every time there's a dip, the opportunity for long. So that was the beautiful. And the last trade we had, this was the breakout long trade and squeeze amazing profit on pound dollar. All right, let's look at the Euro USD, guys. And again, as mentioned in my yesterday analysis review, we have this impulsive reaction. We were looking this breakout and basically flag pattern that give us the high probability of one more push. And today NFP have made us this, nice, really beautiful squeeze amazing profit, hit to the profit target, squeeze amazing profit. Now let me share with you guys how we analyze it. So first of all, we had this Asian session that was a nicely breakout this morning. The European Open, beautiful long trade, squeeze amazing profit. And afterwards, as mentioned, we look for another pullback. So we had this pullback, momentum was bullish. And after that, you can see we have unpullback, then news shoot up and then hit to the profit target, squeeze amazing profit on this one. Then later on, as mentioned to my trader, just keep taking any pullback. So you can see a pretty straightforward. We have another flag pattern, amazing trade, and hit to the final target, squeeze amazing profit. The best trade we had that was the gold. And let me share with you guys the gold. We had amazing trade, guys. Beautiful. And if you look at my yesterday analysis, I mentioned the point of interest is this one. If you look at here, the price rejected yesterday many times. What happened at the Asian session? Price nicely broken, and the London morning session price came back and give us the confirmation. And later on, the news was in favor. Beautiful. Even the price came back here. We also had this counter short trade here, and then we long trade here. Now, let me share with you how we analyze all these entries through intraday system. That was a pretty straightforward. So first of all, we had this beautiful breakout was performed, and that's basically, especially the news. We had this one, squeeze amazing profit. And afterwards, as mentioned here, just keep taking a pullback. That's another pattern breakout. Even after that, price develop a sideways market, and we have this beautiful breakout long trade, squeeze amazing profit, and then price reverse. Then we also had a counter short trade here. And if you look at this counter short trade, but if the way we explain our trader the counter opportunity, we look at the pattern. You can see here the price developed head and shoulder pattern and price broken. After the breakout, price retest, and that's what we mentioned to our trader, look for this breakout. Price nicely broken, hit, and then we have another pullback, as mentioned, my trader squeeze amazing profit. So that was a beautiful short trade, counter short trade on gold, squeeze amazing profit. And afterwards, price reverse, then we look at the pattern, and pretty straightforward as mentioned here to my trader. If you look at the pretty straightforward, price should stay below this level, which is price refuse. So we have a false breakout, and after breakout, price came back, hit this level and break. And you can see after the breakout, we have one pullback, second pullback, third pullback. Price nicely hit to the profit target, which we were expecting here around this level. Price nicely hit to the profit target, and that's what we suggest our traders to time to bank some profit. So you can see, guys, we had an amazing day, guys. Amazing, amazing. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this analysis review, but you can enjoy and love it when you see it in real time with a live code, alongside with a live audio commentary support. So most welcome. Join our fast going trader community. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a nice day and have a nice weekend. Until next time, all the best.